Georgia, what are you eating? Georgia, what are you eating?
I'm eating your food.
Perry's eating your food. What are you eating on the table?
In a circle.
Oh, you're eating your sprinkles. Can you help clean up the table? Oh, wow. That's really helpful. What's Perry doing?
Making a bowl.
He's licking the bowl.
Bowl.
What color is that ice cream? What color was your ice cream?
JB.
What?
Joey. Joey. I'm done.
You're all done?
Yeah.
Say yes.
Yes.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you wave?
Can you say see ya?
See ya.
Blow a kiss. Go.
Bye, phone.
Bye.